Now 4 marks sum number 7. Sum number 6 is not in syllabus this year. So we are taking sum number 7. A train travels with a 360 km per uniform speed with the speed of the train is increased by 5. It takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. Find the initial speed of the train. Okay. This is a sum from second chapter. So it is here only one condition given, that means only one variable, that is x or y, not both variable, only x, because it is from second chapter. Okay. Now starting with this example, let us take one simple example in day-to-day life. Suppose our from Mumbai to our village distance is 600 kilometer. Distance count in a kilometer. Barabar? From Mumbai to our village 600 kilometer, and the speed of train or speed of vehicle is suppose 50 kilometer per hour. Speed is counted in a kilometer per hour. So what is time taken? What is formula for time? Time is a simple formula, distance upon speed. So in our sum it is a suppose 50 speed of that particular vehicle or train. So 600 divided by 50, what is time required? It is equal to 11 hour. Hour, time count in a hour. Long distance, then time count in a hour. So here it is given in minutes, we can convert into hour. So 12 hour required. But if suppose same distance, but speed of the train or speed of the vehicle is increased by 10, that is it will become 60. When speed is increased, we should know the time required become less. So obviously it will become 10 hours. So we reach 2 hours early. We require 2 hours less. Barabar? So same type of sum is given. We were given 48 minutes less if the speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour. Okay. So this type of sum is there. So starting, let initial speed of the train is equal to what? X kilometer per hour. Initial speed of the train is what? X kilometer per hour. Okay. Distance fixed at 360. Now time given 48. First convert minute into what? Minute into hour. We can convert. Initial speed of the train is X. Okay. Distance is equal to 360 kilometer, which is fixed given. Barabar hai? So distance given, speed given. What is formula for time? Time is equal to speed, distance upon speed. This is the formula in science also, mathematics also. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance given, speed given. Therefore time required to cover distance is equal to what? Distance upon speed. Distance 360, speed is what? X. So this is the time required, which is in R. Barabar? See, train going in a uniform speed. Uniform means same speed. Suppose we are going village by train, so speed of the train is uniform, same speed. It is called as uniform speed. Now they say that if the speed of the train is increased by 5, so new speed of train. New speed of train is what? X plus 5. Barabar na? Because they says that it is increased by 5. So new speed of the train is x plus 5. Distance is fixed. Distance, that is equal to 360. Now new time required. To cover same distance. Now time required to cover same distance. What is time required? Same formula, distance upon speed. Distance is what? 360. But now speed is what? X plus 5 in R. बराबर है. So up to here clear? Speed is X, distance 360. So time required 360 upon X. Now new speed is X plus Y, distance fixed. So distance upon speed is equal to time. But now they given condition, if we are increase speed by 5 km per hour, we require less time. बराबर. It is obviously because if is the speed of the train is increased, obviously we can reach earlier, that means we require less time. बराबर. 48 minutes. So convert this minute into hour. We should know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 48 minutes is equal to how much? Question marks. So cross multiply. So 48 ones are 48 upon 60 R. So this can be cancelled. 12 fours are 12 fives are 4 upon 5 R. So 48 minute is nothing but 4 upon 5 R. Up to here clear? Barabar? Now we can solve this equation. Okay. First copy this sum. We will solve further in next video.